during night time, madunggan nato. No need to worry because these are part of our enhancement training to capacitate our pilots to fly during night time, yung night flying activities, which is not only very useful during military operations, but during humanitarian assistance and disaster response operations. Kay basin mo bagyo, itong sa una, gabi eh. So, we now have new aircraft, helicopters that even during inclement weather, kahit daot ang panahon, makalupad sila. So pag gabi kung proficient ang atong mga pilots to fly and conduct operations, bisa gabi very advantage na sa tuwa kay basi gabi mo abot ang calamity. So natay matawag dayon diya sa atong Air Force in Lumbia para to conduct disaster response o rescue operation sa atong mga kababayan. So ongoing na siya, dili lang ta mabahala ana kay is part of their training and capability enhancement.